Let's get into another week of everything asteroids. First things first, let's take a look at what the community members are doing. And as you see right here, we've got a red phone. Okay, that's very interesting. But I love the fact that all of these different creators have different types of incentives for their projects, whether it's you mint at a lower cost, for example, if you hold another project, right? And or perhaps there's a giveaway, perhaps there are airdrops. I love this one as well, as you guys have seen this going on for quite a while, and I do hope this collection gets more steam because I want to see this collection mint out, right? There's of course this collection as well that has just minted out. Super small piece, small collection, but quite a unique collection. I want to see more from that. You guys, of course, will see more and hear more from that. And this one as well. Very interesting festive seasons here. So, another opportunity to inscribe, get on Asteroid Protocol, express yourselves, inscribe on the Cosmos Hub, do different things, and essentially win some different prizes, right? So you'll see some of the previous prizes that were given away to participants. And so there's a lot going on. I love to see the different creators coming through with either incentives for people that hold different assets, or like on the launch pad, or just giving away different, pieces that they've collaborated on, or collaborated through giveaways, to different participants. I love to see that, right? So that's a cool thing. I also want to let you guys know that the proposal number 981 by Arc Protocol to essentially allow Interchain NFTs on the hub looks to be actually reaching quorum. As a matter of fact, if we take a look right over here on MintScan, we can see 43% have participated, with 86% people voting yes. So this is actually very huge. Now, of course, we had a lot of people abstain, which is totally to be expected. Not too many people saying no, as you can see here. So if this keeps going for the next 4 days, I mean, it looks like this is going to pass, and we will begin to see some new changes within the Cosmos Hub, specifically in the Cosmos ecosystem in a greater sense, but also Asteroid Protocol, because I would love to see more adoption of inscriptions. The permanent internet is real. I also want to let you guys know something that was posted just a couple of days ago. So Atom 1K LFG is kind of always in the top APRs over on Astroport. And in this case, I wanted to highlight the idea of the incentives that are given out. And when you're on Astroport, it's very interesting that you can actually go, and you can, of course, go to pools right here. And of course, you can search for whatever pool you want. But this particular one is the Atom 1K LFG and Neutron pool. And I showed you guys this already multiple times, especially for those of you who actually have checked us out on YouTube. And of course, these videos, as you guys know, are on YouTube and X. So it's totally up to you to find them. They may be a little easier to find on YouTube because you may be able to type in the keywords a little bit more easily and to locate what you're looking for. But check out this permissionless incentives video. I think it's actually really cool, really useful. And I know I'm saying this like pretty much every week, but super cool. So if you scroll down and you look at the incentives, well, first of all, at the top, you see the incentives right here. And you can see exactly what is in this pool. So just by participating in this pool, you're going to earn incentives. Anybody can deposit assets into this pool as permissionless incentives, as completely like outlined in this video. So do check it out. But I find it fascinating that anybody can join. But right here, what I did was I just grabbed a screenshot just to show you guys right here of the curve, like the distribution curve of these different assets. So you can set how long these assets will be delivered for. You could set whether it's constant. You can set whether it's decreasing, increasing, whatever have you. There's a lot of different ways you can look at it and play it. So it's a great way to get your tokens out there, whether they're CFT20s or not, who knows. But if you want to increase your holder count, if you want to, let's say, for example, you have a meme coin and you want to just totally distribute it to people who are participating, or you have a rewards token, an incentive token, you name it. There's so many ways to play. So definitely jump in. Or if you just want to toss in some Atom and just reward people for jumping in a pool, I think that's a great thing, And the reason why I posted that is because, of course, Astroport has always given these weekly APR updates. And as you see, Atom 1K LFG and Neutron is kind of always in there. There's a greater chance that it's there just because, the community is super interested in seeing Atom go to 1K, I guess, right? I also want to let you guys know that the alpha can be found on Trollbox. And I say that because if you take your time, well, first of all, for those who don't know, Trollbox is a place where you can actually permanently store your social media posts. You can essentially make a post, and each post is a collectible. And of course, you collect those over on Asteroid Protocol. It's very simple. What I mean is you can collect them here, by connecting, of course, and clicking connect collect, but then they're tradable over on Asteroid protocol, which is pretty fascinating. You can see right here, Trollbox, and each of the troll posts that are, are here essentially. You could trade them. It's super cool, super new, as a lot of you guys totally understand and know. But let's get back to the alpha. You'll see that somebody says to mint oxygen, hydrogen, expect chaos. I think this is pretty cool. Probably nothing. Like, this has been up for a little while, and truthfully, I wanted to mention it, but maybe I was trying to front run everybody. I don't know. No, totally joking. I definitely shared this with a bunch of people. So do check this out, and who knows what's going to come next. Like, I'm just showing you this because, again, I don't know what's coming next, and there could be some alpha that's dropped there in the coming days or weeks, whether by myself or others. So I wouldn't sleep on Trollbox. I know a lot of people are degen and they kind of want to get into using inscriptions in so many ways. Well, this is a very interesting way, and look out for new updates for like the portfolio, for your profile page and things like that once we start to see more traction coming to Trollbox. But I've got a lot of ideas of things I'd love to see. And as you guys know, a lot of you guys know, I'm super into like the ASCII art on Trollbox. I think that's like one of the the coolest ways to use this platform. As you can see, this cat right here and more. So anyway, guys, I'll leave it at that. Super quick one today. If jump in and vote if you haven't already. I don't want to say you don't have to, because it looks like it's pretty good so far. But thank you for everybody who voted, because you are actually helping to make Asteroid protocol essentially have a brighter future, in so many ways. So I definitely appreciate that. I also want to let you guys know that Skip Protocol has joined the Interchain. You guys can check out this blog right here. Pardon me, this thread. But also, using Skip Protocol to buy roids is super, super simple. It's totally simple. So again, I hope to check you guys in the next one. Check out this video on offering permissionless incentives. And of course, just come right back here for more, and I'll check you in the next one. Take it easy.